Hello. Have you ever wanted to make the perfect popcorn? I know I have. I've definitely wanted to make the perfect popcorn. But you guys, also have wanted to do this. And in this video, I am going to show you how to make the perfect popcorn. Ready, set, go! Woo! Alright, so the first step in doing this is we need to know where the best food comes from. So let's quickly search it up. Alright, so here we are. So let's quickly search up where does the best food come from? There it is. Okay. So here it is. Italy. Italy has the best food in the world. Boom. So now that we know that, yeah, Italy has the best food, guys. Alright, so as you can see, the best food in the world comes from Italy. Alright, so, let's get some Italian ingredients, shall we? Now, here are a few staples of Italian cuisine. Alright, so here we are. There we are. If we come down here, we can see everything here. Alright, so let's click that place. Alright, so let's see. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Okay, then if we scroll down, we see garlic. Garlic. Okay, if we scroll down a bit more, basil, too expensive for us. Rosemary, not even think of it, don't think of it. Lemon, maybe. Wine is way too expensive for me, so let's quickly go out of this page and scroll down a bit, and there, that one looks good. Alright, scroll down. Let's see some other ingredients. Okay, olive oil. We have already discussed that. Yeah. But balsamic vinegar is an interesting one. Balsamic vinegar. Okay, yep. Garlic, we already discussed that. Yeah, sorry if you can hear the fan. Down. Oregano is actually a pretty interesting one. Yep. Oregano. We go down. Alright, so here's our main dish, popcorn. Now, unfortunately, for those losers that believe that the best popcorn is made with oil and popping it on your stove, you guys are very unbelievably wrong. This packet comes with everything you need to have a good popcorn. It's microwavable, so it's extremely convenient, right? This is butter flavor, which is extremely convenient. It's gluten-free, it's high fiber, it's whatever. It's very good. Nice. Okay? On the back, it's convenient, alright? And now to use this, you need to actually prepare it. So let's quickly open this thing up. Alright? So to open it up, you just go hold it like this. And you're ripping in two, alright? Throw it over there for now. Alright, and you're left with this bag of popcorn. Now, do this, and read all the instructions. Alright, whatever. Alright, so now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is this thing is hard. Now, you might be able to hear this. That's a lie. You won't be able to hear this because I'm doing a voiceover on this, so you won't be able to hear this sound. But it's rock hard, trust me. Look at this. That's rock solid. Alright, so what you want to do is you're going to want to beat it, alright? You're going to want to beat it. You're going to want to get an anvil, alright? If you have an anvil, and then drop it on it. Alright? Then you're going to want to put it in a blender and blend it up. We're not going to do that right now, but you should. Okay? Then, finally, the first steps that you can do with your hand. Do you see this? You see how you can open it? Now, this is how it should look. On one side it should be glued, on the other side it should be 100% free to open it. Alright, now open that up, fold these sides in, just like that, and then fold. Alright, this is gonna get all that popcorn, that buttery, nice popcorn out. Alright boys, so now we have a nice wrinkled up piece of buttery popcorn, and as you can see, if we drop it, it's much less solid, more bouncy, more jiggly. Look at it, it's jiggly. See? It's not rock solid anymore. Alright, now what we need to do is take it to the oven. Alright boys, so I'm back. Now, you might notice that there's a plate in front of me. That's because we're gonna need to put our popcorn somewhere, right? It's just a simple plate, right? I also got a few of these. These are measuring spoons. These are the size you're gonna want. Half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon, and a tablespoon. Alright? Put them in one another, like those Russian dolls. And then get your beautifully fresh popped popcorn bag and just put it in there. There we go. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is, there we go. Now what you're gonna wanna do is lightly drizzle this bad boy with olive oil. Here. Oh. Don't want it leaking out. There you go. Now, you're gonna wanna salt it real quick. Now, I'm joking. Okay, that was a joke, people. That was a joke. So, you're actually gonna wanna open this bag up real careful now, okay? Open. So, if it doesn't open, do this. It should open for you. It's not opening, okay? Just pull. Just. Alright, now blow in it. Blow in it. Important. What? Now, the next step is you're gonna see your olive oil. Smell it. Oh, that smells great. Now, let's dump the bag of popcorn. In our thing, in our bowl. Alright, now with your packaging, just eat it somewhere. We don't need it. Just eat it. Alright. So now, what the next step is going to be is actually drizzling this bad boy with, you guessed it, our extra virgin olive oil stuff. So, get it nice and soaked, because remember, we're going for an Italian vibe. Put this over here. We're going for this Italian vibe, right? This will also help to create a buttery, smooth texture. Now the next thing you need is salt. Everyone knows that popcorn needs salt. Popcorn loves salt, and salt loves popcorn. Right? You don't want too much. Just quickly drizzle the top. The stuff. Now here's where it gets interesting. You're gonna want to get some granulated California garlic. It doesn't have to be granulated, or California garlic. It just has to be garlic. It can even be like just raw garlic. All right, smash it up, and here with with this one, get that much. All right. You see that? Don't fill it up. Just use that much. Right all the way around the top. Again. This much. You're all on the edges this time. And the last one. Nice. Alright, now close that bad boy up. As you can see, it's already starting to look amazing and smell amazing. Next, you're going to get your oregano, right? Now, oregano's a powerful spice, so you're going to want to get your half a teaspoon. I can already smell the beautiful oregano. Smell your oregano. That smells delicious. Alright, so get a little bit of oregano, right? Drizzle the top with it. Drizzle the top with your oregano. Just 1 teaspoon up with this stuff. Just whoop. Boys, we'll be right back. Alright, boys, we're back. So as you can see, I've lightly drizzled the top with oregano. Set your plate down. Now, here's where it starts to get interesting. Because from this point on, it's more to like, do it to your desire, your taste. Now, my personal taste is that I want it to be a little bit more seasoned. Now, remember when I said balsamic vinegar? You can just forget about that, alright? Eat it. Alright? We don't need that because... Okay, we don't need that because, I don't like balsamic vinegar. But if you like the taste of it, then put it in for all intents and purposes. Now, from this point on, you've got your perfect buttery popcorn. Now, if you're gonna want to add anything to it, go ahead. But this is the end of my tutorial. Bye. Alright, so here, where does the best food come from? There it is. Okay, so here it is. Italy. Wait, you didn't actually think that was the end, did you? Hope not, because it's not. You see, when I said that Italy had the best food, maybe I was lying, and maybe it's actually... Yeah, maybe they are the best food. Now you might be thinking, but yeah, pizza and pasta and whatever it comes from from Italy. Yeah, well, pizza comes from the USA. As you know it, here's a picture of real pizza. And here's a picture of the US's pizza. See the difference? Yeah, I don't think you want to eat that, do you? No, you don't. Now, there's a whole bunch of other examples that I could go along, but personally, I'm not gonna do that. You can search them up yourself, your favorite Italian foods. The original, and then the American version. So, to make this, you're gonna want to get a few simple ingredients that Americans love. Yay, America! Now, ready, set, go! Sugar. Fat. Mayonnaise. Mustard. Alright, boys. Well, now that you know the ingredients, let's get started for the second part of the tutorial. So now, what you're gonna want to get is, firstly, you're gonna want to get your sugar. Alright? Open the cheekiness up. And remember when I said the tablespoon? This time, you know, we're Americans. Fill the tablespoon up. No more sugar, boys. No more sugar for you, America. Next ingredient that Americans love. Mayonnaise. So get this stuff open. Or not mayonnaise. This is actually not mayonnaise. This is a thing. Just very lightly drizzle this on. Come on. Get out. There we go. Now, for my taste, mayonnaise, or I don't like this stuff, but if you like it, by all means, put a lot of it. There. Those are my 2 big concentrations of this stuff. Now, the next thing that Americans love is fat. Yummy fat. Now, you're gonna quickly drizzle this on. Yep. They love that stuff. That's enough fat for you, America. The next thing that Americans love is mayonnaise. Now, you can just dump the whole thing on if you really feel like it, but I'm not an American. I'm a Canadian, alright? Listen to that jiggle, though. Mayonnaise is so gross. Like, here, I'm gonna turn it off to, I'm gonna turn the original audio on. Listen to this. Yucky. I don't want that yuckiness in my food. Get it away. Thank you. Well, there you have it, boys. You're perfect American popcorn. Yay! Bye.